Hey guys, James Paradise here. We got Sunday, December 19th. We got about 5 or 6 days to Christmas, and I'm going to answer a question again right here, right now from Facebook. And somebody said, James, how are you selling these products all over the world? You have a $1 product, a $10 product, a $100 product, a $1,000 product, a $10,000 product. You have a $25,000 product, a $50,000 product, a $100,000 product. I have products that are worth millions of dollars. It's called real estate. So to answer your question, how do I sell all these products on the internet all over the world? It's called an automated sales funnel flywheel, and it's exactly what Amazon has, which I copied, and Amazon is the richest company in the world. So keep watching the video, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. I'll put a link in the description where you can start setting up the #1 automated sales funnel flywheel, coming exactly from Amazon, the richest company in the world, and you can start selling products online too. So let's go. Alright guys, so here's how this works. Step 1, I'm going to get right into it, okay? The #1 way to sell products and services online is by using what's called a sales funnel flywheel. Now here's, if you're not selling any products online, you need to listen very carefully. If you are selling products online and you're not selling a lot, in other words, you're not happy, it's because you probably don't have things set up the right way, #1, and #2, you're not spending any money on advertising. You're not getting paid traffic. Now the first thing you need is this. Before you sell any product online, you have to set up this automated sales funnel flywheel. You got to set it up first or you can't sell anything. Got it? Okay, the second part of this is this. You have to have a product. So if you have a product, great. Let me show you how to sell it all over the world. If you don't have a product, then you can become an affiliate marketer with Amazon, which I'm going to do multiple videos here. I'm going to probably do 10 video series just on affiliate marketing, not only with Amazon, but with a lot of different companies as well. So #1, you need a product. If you don't have one, I have one. If you have one, great. Let me show you how to sell more of it. Step 2, you have to have follow-up set up. In other words, you have to have a follow-up system following up with people through emails and text messages so you can sell them more products at a higher price. So for example, I sell people a $1 product and then I sell them a $10 product. I send them an email and a text message saying, hey, if you love the first product for $1, you're going to love this second product for $10. Then I sell them a third product for $100. And if they buy the $100 product, then I sell them another product for $1,000. Well, how do I do that? I continuously send them emails and text messages every day, following up with them, sending them a link to click on to go buy the next product. I don't know if you've ever heard this saying. It's famous. It's called the follow-up is in the fortune, or the fortune is in the follow-up. You see, millionaires make their millions later. They don't make their millions up front. So if you're actually trying to, do a get-rich-quick thing or make a lot of money in the beginning, you're wasting your time. Forget it. This business is not for you. The big money comes with the follow-up. The fortune is in the follow-up. So step 2, you have to have a follow-up system set up, and that's going to lead me to #3. You have to have an email autoresponder. Now, in the description, I'm going to put a link to the #1 email autoresponder that I recommend, and you guys can click on it and go set up your email autoresponder. An email autoresponder responds automatically to people. So when people come to your sales page or website, you ask them to put in their name and their phone number and their email, then they automatically get sent an email, right? That's called an email autoresponder. Then they get an email every day just saying, hello, how are you? I got another product. I got another story. Here's what I'm doing with my life. Here's another product. Here's what I did today. Here's another product. You continuously and constantly want to follow up with people to buy the next product. Got it? That leads me into step 4, which is you have to be able to take money. So when somebody sees your post or your ad, they click on the ad, they go to the website, they buy a product on Amazon, or they buy your product on your sales page, or they pay for your service, you have to be able to accept money. So you have to be able to take credit cards, debit cards, bank wires, direct deposits, cash, Western Union, MoneyGram. I have people who send me money on Western Union and MoneyGram every week. Every week I pick up MoneyGrams in Western Union. In fact, I have people who work for me and I send the money to them and they go pick it up because I'm I'm too busy running my business, right? So you have to be able to accept money. Lots of ways to do it. PayPal, Stripe, you've got Cash App, I've got 15 ways that you can accept money today. So that's number 4, you have to be able to accept money online and on your mobile phone. Step 5, you have to be able to do this, and this is huge, okay? This is actually the biggest thing. You have to be able to talk to people. Don't believe anybody out there who says I make millions of dollars every year and I never talk to one person. They're lying. They're full of shit. You have to be able to talk to people. Now you might say, I'm an introvert. I don't like people. I don't like to talk to people. Well, then this business is not for you. Getting rich and wealthy or making a lot of money is just not for you. However, there are ways to do it without talking to people, but it's very hard. The richest people in the world are social. They talk to people. They're social butterflies. If you're not a people person, you better learn how to change for 2021, because I'm going to tell you right now, in this new year, 2021, the people who will make a lot of money are the people who know how to close deals. And those are high ticket sales, which is going to lead me into step 6 is this. You have to have a very high-end product. You have to have lots of high-end products. They're called high-ticket products. $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000. People who sell real estate, they sell million-dollar homes. That's a high-ticket product. That's why they make the big bucks. They're rich because they basically sell high-ticket products to make high commissions, high profits. If you sell a $1 product, I hardly make any money on it. I make about 90 cents, right? If I sell a $10 product, I make about $9. If I sell a $1,000 product, I make about $900 because I'm selling self-education. I'm selling education. I'm selling teaching people how to do things, right? Especially make money. So when you have a successful business, you have to have high-end scalable products. Look at all the rich people out there, right? Look at Donald Trump, for example. I know it's probably a bad example, but he's a great guy. He's very successful. He has one of the most successful real estate companies in the world, Trump International. His products are high-end. He has 10 million, 20 million. He sold the most expensive house in New York City on Central Park West for $95 million. You know how much profit he made? He made over $40 million because he bought it about 30 years ago. $40 million on one deal. Now, do you understand you need a high-ticket product? And then step 7 is this. You have to be able to fulfill. Meaning, if you tell somebody you're going to give them something, you have to give it to them, right? If somebody gives you $10,000, you got to give them what you said. If they give you $1, you better give them what you said. So you have to have fulfillment. You have to fulfill the product, okay? So we got a lot of steps here. We got 7 steps. That's an automated sales funnel. Now, to put all this together for you is easy because we've been doing this for years. I've been doing automated sales funnels since the early 2000s, 2003, okay? I sold my first product online in 1997, actually, right? So an automated sales funnel, flywheel is what the richest people in the world have that are making their money online. That's what it's called, okay? So you need a bunch of things, but the biggest thing is this. You need marketing. So let me go to step 8, which is actually step 1, but I'm leaving it for last because that's the most important thing. If you're going to make a lot of money on the internet is advertising, marketing. You have to have ads. Now, if you think you're going to go out and make a lot of money posting stuff for free, stop right now. It's a waste of time, guys. You're wasting your time. You're trying to post stuff all over the place every day. You've been trying to do it for weeks, months, probably years, right? It doesn't work. You have to pay for an ad. So me, if I had $1,000 and that's all I had in my pocket right now, if I only had $1,000, I would take that $1,000 and I would place it into one ad on Google, which would drive people to a video like this, and I would sell them a product for $1,000. When I sold 10, I made $10,000. I got my $1,000 back, plus I made $9,000. And actually, I can show you how to do that every day. That's what rich people do. They invest their money into marketing, they pay for an ad, and they sell a product, and they profit. Why do you think on the Super Bowl every year they charge $1 million for a 60-second ad? Because they have 50 million people watching that ad, and the people who have that ad and spent the $1 million probably are making millions of dollars selling their products right on that Super Bowl in 60 seconds. That's what you need. You need paid advertising. Now, I have the #1 social media agency marketing product, and I can show you what it is, and I can give it to you. So at the end of this video, I want you to go to the description and click on all the links, and I'll show you exactly how to set up your #1 automated sales funnel flywheel, just like Amazon, just like me, just like every other successful person on the internet. But you have to post and pay for ads. Don't be cheap. If you're cheap, don't be in business. Don't have an online business. If you're gonna be a little frugal, that's okay, but you have to spend money on ads. Hey, listen, I'll spend $1 to make $2. Why not? I'm making 100% on my money. I'm actually making 200%. If I spend $1 on an ad and I make $2, then I'm gonna spend $2 on the next ad to make $4. Then I'm going to spend $4 on the next ad to make $8. Then I'm going to spend, you see how it works? Until I get up to like maybe 10 grand, and then I'll take half the money, 5,000, put it into my ad, selling my products, and then that's how you get rich. And you can do it very quickly. Within about 60 to 90 days, you can be up to $10,000. But you need the #1 thing, which is step 8. You need marketing. Now, if you guys need help setting up your automated sales funnel flywheel for the new year 2021, it's not too late. It's only December 19th. I'm here to help you. So I want you to comment below and say, James, help me set up my automated sales funnel flywheel, help me set up the 8 steps, and help me with some products, and help me make some money for next year. Because I had a shitty year this year because of the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, epidemic. It screwed me up. And guess what? You're not the only one. But people like me, we still made a lot of money. If you're interested, comment below, smash the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe right there. Hit the subscribe button. It's free, and I'll see you on the next video.